Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. I'm Deb.
I'm Joel.
And back there's Maya. We're going to take you on a tour of our home. We downsized from a house to an RV.
Stay tuned for the tour.
Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb, Joel, and Maya here. We are new to RVing and happy to take you along for the ride with us as we are feeling like we're living the book, RVing for Dummies sometimes. There's nothing better than feeling the freedom that RVing is bringing us. We are an RV couple with a spoiled dog that loves RV travel and feels RV love every time we head to a new location to show you how we travel in our RV. We have a 2018 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA. Each Allegro Red Class A coach is built on a Freightliner rear-engine diesel chassis, providing pleasurable driving experience, and it has an 8-step full-body paint system offering 3 layers of super coat and ultraviolet protection and an additional layer of scratch-resistant plastic coating protecting from the front of the coach stairwell and the entry door lock. A form-fitting seamless roof cap and a high-performance thermal insulation on the sidewalls and floor, plus fiberglass front on the rear caps offer extra protection for years of ownership. The interior will impress with decor choices, high-end gloss panel hardwood cabinet doors, and ceramic tile flooring in the living room area and bath, and ultra leather furniture. We have found the layout of the 2018 33AA Red to be perfect for us with the table and chairs and not the dinette set that can come with. The kitchen is very well organized and we do like to utilize the stovetop and the convection microwave. We do have a stainless steel Whirlpool residential refrigerator and freezer. That is a drawer pullout that we absolutely love. And the freezer has its own ice maker, which is always important. Moving from our kitchen to the bedroom, we do have a full-size king bed in the RV, so plenty of room for us and Maya to sleep, along with plenty of clothing storage, including a full closet and a television to watch while relaxing from bed. We also do have a washer and dryer in the bedroom, and this was a must-have for us. It is so convenient to do a load right in the RV, and we wouldn't want it to be traveling any other way. Another must-have was a full functioning bathroom. We do have that. It's very convenient. It is on a little bit of the smaller side for an RV bathroom from other models. However, we absolutely love it and it works for us. We can easily stand up and shower and not hit our heads, and we do have even a skylight. Let's now move to the outside of the RV, and it has outside conveniences as well, including an area where we can sit outside and watch television, which we absolutely love to do on nice afternoons. We do have a convenient storage area with a slide that can be accessed from both sides of the rig on the driver's side and passenger side. It does pull out for easy access to anything that we have stored under this area. We do hook up to 50 amp power and do have a surge guard protector and are hoping to get solar someday. The water capacity is a 90-gallon fresh tank, along with a 70-gallon gray tank and 50-gallon black tank. We also do have an onboard propane tank that is 24 gallons that runs our heat and also our stove. Well, we hope you enjoyed our tour. We miss and love everyone, and remember, life is about collecting moments, not things. If you haven't seen our video on downsizing, we highly recommend you check it out. I'll put a link up here and down below in the description. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when our next video is out.
Don't forget to stick around for the bloopers.
We always have bloopers.
Yeah, plenty of those.
It's 35 feet. What are the tanks?
Okay, you might as well stop it and tell me. I don't know.
You don't know the tanks?
I don't know.
Okay. And we're not even going to talk about the tanks. I will voice that over later. Just A tour of our RV. Stick around and see how this turns out, because there's a lot of people out and about in four-wheelers. What are we doing today, Maya? Are we giving a tour? Do you like your new home? Do you like your house? You do?
If you do, touch my nose. Oh, good girl.
Thanks for watching Chasing RV Sunshine, and we'll see you on the next video.